Hi everybody and welcome to this week's Tune In Tuesday. Now let me start this week's video with a warning because what you're about to see is sure to truly shock you. Microplastic pollution is nothing new to our Tune In Tuesday video blog, and in previous videos we've shown you ways that you can remove microplastics from the environment. But last week we joined some familiar faces on Perranporth Beach for a beach clean like we've never seen before. So let's go check out exactly what we were dealing with. Well, we did warn you. Those stretches of hundreds of thousands of microplastics along the strand line left us almost speechless. We were up against a huge dump of plastics following the highest tide of the year. Now these big tides churn up the sand, bringing old plastics to the surface, meaning that you usually see more plastics than usual. It is absolutely crucial that after big tides you can get down to the worst hit areas to remove the microplastics. And we were lucky that we had Josh from Nurdle with us and we were equipped to do just that. So what an epic beach clean that was, and it felt really special to be part of it. So thank you so much to Josh for the opportunity to be involved. Over the past few years, Josh has been working tirelessly to develop solutions to the plastic pollution issue and coming up with amazing innovations to make beach cleaning a whole lot easier. And that's what makes this new collaboration with Karcher so special, in that together they're coming up with new solutions to plastic pollution, with Karcher supplying those specially adapted vacuums to help with the cleanup. But it wasn't just that morning that the vacuums were put to use. Josh was touring the southwest, hitting the worst microplastic hotspots. And next on the itinerary was our favourite, Watergate Bay. after 2 glorious days spent along the Cornish coastline with our friends, we're able to now have a rest but reflect on the time that we all spent together with the Karcher vacuums. And it was a pretty epic few days. We removed millions of microplastics from the environment, and whilst it was terrifying to see that quantity of microplastics polluting our local beaches, it was actually incredibly inspiring to come together to take them out of the environment, to stop them posing a risk to wildlife. So that's the message of this video, is that yes, there is an extreme amount of plastic polluting our environment, but there's always going to be new innovations coming our way to deal with these issues. But the most important thing is we have to work together. So thank you so much for watching this week's Tune In Tuesday, and I'll see you next week for next week's episode.